It's time for another gardening update. Okay, it's Miss Janita sharing with you guys stuff going on my balcony garden. I have a whole bunch of blooms on my jalapeno pepper plant here. And here go the blooms on the placebo plant. Those big old giant long green peppers. Look at those beautiful blooms. So pretty. Love it. It's a bunch of them coming. And look at the ones that are here. Beautiful. Just blooms everywhere. Hopefully we get some sun. Basil going to seed, but I will stop it. And also here's another pepper plant. Going okay. Here is my, I believe, cilantro growing here. More herbs. Yeah. Let me show you guys the other. This is my mums, or not mums. I forgot the name of the dang plant. I gotta come back and say later time. But here goes some more herbs over here. Don't ask me what they are yet. 2 pots right there. Lemon tree going crazy. Oh, so I guess that's about it for today. Just wanted to share what was going on this balcony. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you want to. Leave a comment, most importantly. All right, happy gardening. Bye for now. I'll see you on the next one.